Now we're downstairs, so finish with downstairs. Here we go. So this is the next single swan here in a heart. Really nice. All right. Bend it back some more. Give it a better arching. There you go. Kind of straighten it a little. Sit. Good. All right. Let's go to the next room. All right. And look what we have here. All right, we have a dinosaur here. Call this one dinosaur. I'll show you how to make that one later on in my next video. Just subscribe and keep watching my videos. It's really nice. That's the dinosaur. All right, let's check out the next. Showing the bathroom. Let's show you the next room. I have a next dinosaur here. Put some petals on the bed as well, yeah. All right, looking beautiful. So, something that you can try at home, you know. Husbands, they can do it for wifey, and wife can do it for your husband, you know. You can do it also for your kids also. You can put it on your kids' bed, you know, when they come back from whichever they go to, when they come back they see something different in the rooms. Really nice. Give them a wow. Yeah, let me show you this bathroom. Beautiful. Really nice as well. All right, so remember, this is Mr. Fix It, guys. Mr. Fix It. And we're not only fixing things. We're a whole package of creation. So we create things, we decorate things, we fix things, you know. Really nice, you know. It's good when you have a lot of talents. You can do a lot of stuff. Even throughout this quarantine, when a lot of things are shut down now, it's good when you can do a lot of stuff, you know. It keeps you going, keeps you active. So, and I like to keep myself active. I don't really like to sit down and not doing anything. Seems like I want to go crazy. So please, guys, please subscribe to my channel, share my videos, tell your friend about it, send it to your friend, let your friend watch it, let your friend subscribe to your family members, everybody. Tell him that please subscribe to Mr. Alex Hamilton channel, Mr. Fix It. That's King G Enterprise. Alright, I will be changing that name soon to Mr. Fix It, or strictly Mr. Fix It. Alright, so peace out again. Thanks for watching another one of my videos. Alright, thank you. You'll see me again in the next episode.